How to fix data transfer cannot be completed on iPhone 14, 14 Plus, 14 Pro, and 14 Pro Max. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login, and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and fix this. One reason why you might be facing this issue is low battery, so make sure to charge both your devices while transferring the data. Also, restart your router if your network connection is not smooth enough. Now launch the Settings application on your device and make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. Tap on Wi-Fi and ensure your internet connection is good. In Settings again, tap on General and then on Software Update and make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. Go back to General and now scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and reset network settings. Doing this will reset all network settings and will return them to factory defaults, meaning all your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, APN and VPN settings, and cellular settings will be returned to factory defaults. Reset network settings now on both the devices. Lastly, tap on General and scroll down to the bottom and tap on Shutdown option. Slide to power off and wait for a minimum of 60 seconds before restarting your device. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.